I'm going to minimize this one. There is a shortcut for Lumira. You can see here SAP Lumira, double click. Go to File, New, connect to SAP HANA. From your drop down, you can select HANA from the drop down. Server, again select it from the drop down. HANA instance 03. Username is HANA user, password W in uppercase. Welcome 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect. Locate your schema. Not schema, locate your package. It is Osborne is the package. In this package you can see there are two views. One is analytic view, other one is calculation view. So let me select analytic view, and towards the right it displays the same name. Move to next. You can see there are two measures, measure objects and few dimension objects. Now let me click on create. So x-axis you can drag and drop your measures. Say let me drag and drop revenue in x-axis because it shows measures here. So drag and drop revenue in x-axis, whereas in your y-axis you can drop industry sector. Now you can see in industry sector wise sales revenue. You can also drop material group. You can just add just below this. Okay, material group, industry sector, revenue. These are the objects which we have added. Then this is one visualization. To create the next visualization you can again choose any template. Let me choose a cross table template. Before choosing a cross table, so you can see the same report which has been converted into cross table. If you choose lines chart, The report has been converted again. So all you need to do is click on the different templates. It will display towards your right. Okay, let me keep the same dashboard which I have created in the beginning. That is chart, bar chart. Let me add a new visualization. Click on plus. For this visualization, say I want to take e-fashion data for this visualization. So what we need to do is go to file, no, go to data, add new data set. So let me add here, say from the same HANA view, I'm going to add a new package. I'll name this package as e-fashion. In IDT we have the database for this e-fashion. So this is the e-fashion. Okay, if you want we can choose e-fashion from here. Double click on the cube up. We haven't created this one, someone might have created. All we are doing is we're trying to import the data source. We are trying to import the data source. See, this is your e-fashion columns and measure objects. Click on create. Now let me choose a different template. I'm going to choose a cross table template. Add measure objects, amount sold here, and the other objects like article label. The next one is month name, article label, month name. That's all. So two dashboards are ready. Like that we can create different dashboards based on a client requirements. Now go to compose, standard, double click. This is the default dashboard. You can also rename this one. And name it as so sales outlet. That's what the heading I have given. If you want, you can also give a side heading. Now the first report, that is cross table report, what I'll do is I will drag and drop into the first column. Drag and drop into the first column. You can see all the values were displayed now. drag the second visualization into this chart. Now, if you want, you can keep, or else you can remove. Now, you can go to input controls. Say we want to add an object called quarter. We have added an object quarter to the existing query. Now you can drag and drop this. So whenever I select month, it must display the exact input control or exact input value of the let me do one thing. Let me drag and drop quarter. Expand. No value selected. You can expand from here. Instead of month, okay, we have added quarter. In the third quarter, these are the sales figures. You can expand this one. If at all we want to add any input controls or any pictures, any visualizations, you can add it here. Now go for preview. Click on preview. So you can preview this dashboard in three modes. One is desktop preview, other one is tablet, as well as mobile preview. After previewing all these things, click on execute. Okay, as of now you are seeing a desktop preview. That is, this is what your in your desktop it will look alike. If you choose an iPad, now save. Save and execute. Again, if you click on new, it will take you back to the previous screen. Click cancel here. You don't want to do it again. Now let me execute this one. Click on preview. This is the preview. Even if I import, I can import it in Excel file. Now we want to use these two for our amounts for this cross tab and as well as horizontal table. These two tables we're going to see the preview for it.